to share a limited important facts about MAZDA Premacy 2010 model with a 7-seating arrangement. MAZDA Premacy is not a very common car in Uganda, but it's got a variety of good features which I'm going to show you. This particularly has 2000cc with 15.0 kilometers per liter. This car has 150 HP and it's got a direct injection system paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This car also features stylish design right from the front look. It's got a smiley face expression. Then it's got the instinctive, stylish lines on the sides. This Mazda mainly features electric sliding doors. You can either open it with your hand or you can use a remote. You can as well do it both sides. This is one of the advantages about this car, especially when you're moving with kids and they cannot open it. You can easily use the remote control system. And also when you're carrying luggage, you can as well press it, then you put the luggage inside without any worries. And also when you're parked around the busy area, like the parking is fixed, busy, you can as well use the remote for opening it, just slides, and maybe if you're moving with passengers, they can easily pass through easily. It's very easy, you can see. Then people can just pass easily. It's flexible. Well, these are the additional door controllers, like you can press here. And also you can control the other same side the same way. You can use this, open, as well you can close. Well, when you look at its interior, it looks simply lit. It's beautiful. It has normal adjustable features. As you can see, also additional adjustable buttons for the doors, like I showed you before. You can control them from here, and also for the mirrors, the lights, you can control from here. And it's got a keyless entry, ignition. Then also, I think I love these lights, they are cute. This is very interesting also. And when you look at the seating arrangement, it's got a 6+1 seating arrangement, and the interior itself looks very good with high quality fabrication. As you can see, the chairs have some nice design. So this basically is a 6-seating arrangement, but you can create more space for another passenger in case you're many. Like you can use this. Let me show you a little bit. So this is another seat for another passenger in case you're many. And as well, you can create a space if someone wants to pass behind. You can do the same procedure. You can fold it, then somebody can easily pass here, then goes to the behind seat. There is also another option in case you're 6 or less and you want to provide some drinks. You can use this, and you can use this for the bottles and put some stuff there. Then also here as an armrest, something like that. So as you see, this car has a variety of options. For example, the boot is provided, and so if you want to create more space for your cargo or luggage, you can fold them. Like same applies to this one. You can as well fold it to create more space for your cargo. And in case you're moving with family or friends, you can still do the same procedure to provide for you enough space for your friends or for other passengers that you want to carry. Yeah, like this car has a variety of options based on what you like. Well, I would like to say this car has a great balance of fun, and it's a great choice for all time. All you need to do is come to Yoshino-Trading Ltd. We are located at Banda opposite Yoshino-Trading Ltd. You're almost welcome. See you next time. Bye bye.